Hi everybody, Lorraine here. I'm going to tell you that a troublesome day here. I hope you're all doing well. As you can see, this canvas has been scraped. This is my third attempt, and I hope I have enough mixed paint to get it this time. Now, what I am looking to do on this 12 by 24 inch canvas is a bloom swipe. And so far, I've had trouble. So let's see how this works out this time. Make sure I have enough paint on the canvas to stretch it out. Okay, put my pillow down. This is about the end of my house paint that I have also. So it needs to work this time, right? Okay. So what I have is a deep sapphire. And these are the bloom mixture paints. I have to scrape this out of here a little bit. Because like I said, this is my third attempt. Okay, I'm gonna put down my copper on top of the blue. And then I'm gonna put my lighter sapphire. And the gold, which there's not a lot of gold left. Make it get all the way across. See if there's any more copper in here. Tiny, tiny. Okay, I'll lay some paper towel down here so that I can wipe off my swipe tool. And go in with my cell activator. And lay my plastic right in that. And just float it right on down. So pretty. Okay, let's do this again. Okay, we got one more swipe on this side and we'll turn it around and get the other. And then the fun part of stretching. I lost contact there. See if I can try that again. There we go. Get this turned around. Just like that. And we'll work on this side. Okay. So far, I'm happy. See if we can keep that up. Love the way that copper is coming out. It's very pretty. Okay. Oh, that selling is so pretty over here. right in here. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Oh. Take a deep breath now. I was holding my breath because this has really given me some trouble today. Love the colors. Just absolutely love the colors. Very pretty. See how much paint is on here. Just rock it back and forth. And start by tilting away from me. Stretching it down that way. Do have to take your time doing this. Still having a very hard time getting a nice even line of the weight of my paint. Just gonna bring it back. And I'm going to bring it back. Very pretty lacing in here. Colors are very pretty together. Down a little bit. I am seeing a mountain range with the aurora up here. So I am going to leave it just like it is. Give you a little bit of close-up from one side of the mountain range to the other. I hope you enjoyed this, guys. It's always a struggle. This is a difficult method. So I will keep practicing, and I hope you do too. Thank you for visiting with me. I'll catch you next time. Bye.